Engine 108 Firecom.
Go ahead.
Engine 108's in service, ready for assignment.
Engine 108 in service.
SC-141 on location of a one-story residence. We'll be out investigating.
SC-141 on location, one-story residence, out investigating.
Squad 104 Firecom. You can show engine 105 in service. Squad 104 will handle the response.
Received. Squad 104 responding. Engine 105 in service.
Engine 82 is going to be on location. Transformers notified. Is energy notified?
Engine 82 on location. Transformer on fire. We'll notify energy.
SC-141 Firecom.
SC-141.
Show SC-141 available. Spoke to the homeowner and remove the electricity to the kitchen.
Received. SC-141. Spoke to homeowner. Removed electricity to the kitchen. SC-141 in service.
Booster 91 alarm. Correction. Booster 91 to Firecom.
Booster 91.
Please Booster 91 on the Jackrabbit call and engine 94 back in service.
Received. Booster 91 responding. 373 Jackrabbit. Engine 94, you can return to service.
Engine 121 to Firecom.
Engine 121.
The call notes for this say that the alarm came in at 21:31, 12:31.
Affirmative. We confirmed that with the alarm company. They advised the alarm did come in at 12:31. They were just now notifying us of it.
That's clear. Engine 121's already been in the building 1481 around noon today.
That's clear. Your discretion.
Engine 55 Firecom. The leak to the clubhouse has been stopped. System has been drained. Maintenance is aware and fire watch information is passed on. Engine 55 is in service.
Received. Leak stopped to the system and drained. Fire watch info has been passed on. J in service.
Firecom Utility 81.
Utility 1.
Utility 81. We're going to be on location for Engine 82. Engine 82 is going to be back in service.
Receive Utility 81. Share on location with Engine 82. Placing Engine 82 in service.
Booster 53 alarm placed. Engine 53 back in service.
Receive. Placing Engine 53 in service.
909 Firecom FP2.
909.
I'm out on I-45 northbound, just south of FM 830. I've got what appears to be a two-vehicle MVA into the guardrail. I'm out checking on injuries. Stand by on a record.
Receive.
909 Firecom.
909.
No injuries. I'm going to be transporting two as a public service ride to the McDonald's at 1097 in Willis. Law enforcement's on location, and they're working on getting a record for the vehicle now.
Receive. We'll show you in service. Transporting to the McDonald's. That's on location. Getting a record.
503 Firecom. I'll be monitoring the Margaritaville Waterflow.
Receive 503. Showing service. Monitoring. Confirming I can place 502 in service.
Firecom, yes.
Firecom Booster 55.
1123 Firecom. FD2.
Stand by. Last Department 11 unit on 2. Repeat.
At 1123 to the service call at 2351 Turnberry Elm Court.
Receive. Firecom 1123. Revise the street name.
Turnberry Elm Court.
Receive.
Engine 186 responding.
Engine 186 responding.
Booster 107 Firecom.
Booster 107.
Firecom, can you try to get a hold of building maintenance?
Receive Booster 107. We'll try to get all of building maintenance.
1123 Firecom. You can 7-1 holding 1123. Split engine 112 back in service.
1123.
Firecom, engine 91.
Engine 91.
Water's insecure. We will unable to reset the alarm. Show engine 91 in service.
Receive. Water secure. Unable to reset the alarm. Engine 91 in service.
Receive. Booster 91 Firecom.
Booster 91.
Water's been shut off to the house. Booster 91 will be in service.
Receive Booster 91, water shut off to the house. Show you in service from that call. Can you respond? We have another service call, 305 West Stewart.
Booster 91 received, responding to West Stewart.
Received.
Agent 186 on location.
186 on location.
Truck 104 fire com.
Truck 104.
The conservatory's water has been shut off. The fire protection system has been shut off. 1010 is on location explaining the fire watch situation. Truck 104 is in service.
Receive Truck 104. Water system and fire protection system have been shut off. 1010 on location explaining fire watch. Truck 104 in service.
Squad 104 is in service. Waiting next to sniper.
Squad 104 in service.
Agent 186 fire call. Maintenance already secured the water to building 1. Will be in service, of course.
Receive maintenance secured water to building 1. Engine 186 in service and quarters.
Booster 107 fire call.
Booster 107.
Fire system in building 16 has been shut down. Booster 107 in service.
Receive fire system in building 16 shut down. Booster 107 in service.
1123 fire com. Show me in service from the service call at Turnberry Elm Court.
Last unit on FD2. Repeat your traffic.
1123 fire com. Show me in service from the service call at Turnberry Elm Court.
Received.
Agent 186 in quarters.
Engine 186 in quarters.
Booster 183 in quarters.
Booster 183 in quarters.
Fantasy Command Firecom. Source of the smell is going to be related to the AC unit heater. No structural damage.
Received smell related to the heater. No structural damage.
Squad 104. Firecom confirming no need for fire.
That's affirmative. Squad 104. Show you in service.
Fantasy Command Firecom. Command terminated. All units in service.
Received command terminated. Battalion 51, Tanker 51 in service.
Engine 121 Bell location. Walmart Supercenter, nothing showing on investigating. Truck coming in assist with investigation. Engine 121 be assuming Walmart command.
File with ones in the complex.
Truck 121 on location. Establishing Walmart command. Investigating. Ladder level 1 in the complex.
Engine 183 en route.
Engine 183 responding.
Battalion 121 is on location. I'll be assuming Walmart command. Command Engine 1 and Truck 121, we're going to make a 360 of the vehicle around and see if we got water flowing from the rear.
Receive Battalion 121 show on location. Walmart command.
Engine 105 fire com.
Engine 105.
Engine 121 59 command.
Engine 105 fire com. We'll be in service. Water off to the house.
Receive show you in service.
Engine 121 59 command.
Command, go ahead.
Engine 121 to 59 command.
Command, go ahead, Engine 121.
No emergency. Made contact with employee. They're draining water from the lawn and garden section. Nothing's broken. All units can return to service.
Command, that's clear. Command to Firecom, you can return all units back to service.
Receive Engine 121, Truck 121, Battalion 121 in service. Firecom, Engine 183.
183.
Engine 183 responding for smell of smoke in a residence, 83 Beaconsfield Drive. The calling party advised they had a pipe bust and now they smell something burning in the house.
183 received.
Check 185 responding.
185 responding. I'm coming back to that alarm. Booster 91 fire call.
Booster 91.
No emergency at this time. Booster 911 will be back in service.
Booster 91, no emergency. Can you confirm which address?
305 West Stewart Street.
Receive and confirm you've already cleared 373 Jackrabbit.
Affirmative.
Receive, we'll close out both calls.
Engine 54 calling Farcom.
Engine 54.
Entire Margaritaville complex has sustained multiple water pipe bursts. Per mechanical engineer on location, they'll be conducting 24-hour fire watch.
Receive. Conducting 24-hour fire watch. Most systems down.
Firecom, Utility 81.
Go ahead.
Utility 81. Energy is on scene. Will advise.
Receive.
Engine 183 is on location.
Engine 183 on location.
Squad 104 Firecom. The water's been shut off to the fire suppression system in Building 5. Management will have fire watch through the night until the problem's resolved.
Receive, squad. Fire shut off. Water shut off to Building 5. Fire suppression system. Fire watch in place.
185 on location.
185 on location. Squad 104.
Okay.
Squad 104, are you clear to clear that call and take another?
Affirmative.
Received.
Booster 184 being route to the alarm. Place engine 184 back in service.
Received. Boost 184, show you responding. Place engine 184 in service.
Engine 186 Firecom. We'll be responding to Riverwood. Stack the Ranch Lake call for us. We'll respond to that after. You can disregard Booster 184.
Booster 184 received. Thank you, engine 186.
Received. Stacking Ranch Lake and Riverwood. Engine 186 handling both calls.
Booster 104 to Firecom.
Booster 104.
Agent 5 Firecom, put me on that incident on Ranch Lake. Show me en route.
Firecom, all units respond to Ranch Lake. You can disregard. Canceled by caller. Ranch Lake Drive canceled.
1805 in service and quarters.
Booster 104 Firecom. Can you get truck 108 to take the call on North Stage Sparrow?
Firecom received. We'll dispatch one Creekside Medical.
Engine 107 Firecom. I believe we're going to be closer than Engine 108 to North Stage Sparrow and show us respond.
Firecom, Engine 108. Firecom, Engine 108.
Good, Firecom.
Engine 108, 107 said they'd take it. You can disregard. They'll go with Booster 104.
Received.
Engine 107 responding with Booster 104. Engine 108 in service.
Engine 186 on location.
Engine 186 on location.
Engine 107 Firecom, confirming the notes. False alarm disregard.
That's affirmative. Make contact with Cypress Creek. They're advising no need for you to respond.
107 in service. You have another call.
No other calls in Woodland at this time.
Thanks.
Engine 183 Firecom.
Engine 183.
No sign of fire or heat. Show Department AT clear steam at service.
Received. No signs of fire or heat. Engine 183 in service.
Firecom, Utility 81.
Utility 81.
Sure, Utility 81, clear of this call and available.
Utility 81 in service.
Tank 185 Firecom.
Tanker 185.
Tank 185 being service. Show malfunction due to power going out.
Tanker 185 in service due to power outage. Tanker 51 deal traffic.
You can replace Ladder 51, Battalion 51 in service.
Received. Tanker 51 responding. Battalion 51, Ladder 51 in service.
Engine 186 accidental activation in service in quarters.
Receive Engine 186 in service and quarters activation.
Engine 184 en route.
Engine 184 responding. Service call 32927 Highway 249. Firecom, Engine 184.
Engine 186 in quarters.
Engine 186 in quarters. Firecom, Engine 184.
Engine 184.
184, you're responding to a system CSO with a previous motor vehicle accident. They're advising their wheels wrapped around a sign. They need your assistance freeing them.
Engine 184 received.
Engine 183 in quarters.
Engine 183 in quarters, MR 181 in quarters.
Engine 105 Powercom will be in service. Water and power is turned off to the house. We'll be awaiting another call.
Engine 105, water and power shut off to the house. Show you in service. Firecom Tanker 51.
Tanker 51.
Can you advise if the key holder needs to respond? They will be responding from Conroe.
Okay, it's just reading a trouble code. We're going to try to reset it. If not, we'll leave it on silence.
Receive, attempting to reset, if not, leaving it on silence.
Tanker 185 in quarters.
Tanker 185 in quarters.
Ladder 51 in service.
Ladder 51 in service.
So 184 is on scene.
Engine 184 on location.
Booster 183 responding.
Booster 183 responding. Confirming for the fire alarm 28750 Nichols Sawmill.
1123 Firecom.
1123.
Show me responding with engine 112 to South Plum Creek.
Received 1123.
1123 Firecom.
1123.
1123 is on location. Two-story residential structure. Nothing showing. Audible alarm. Yeah, investigating.
Received 1123 on location. Two-story residential. Nothing showing. Audible alarm.
Engine 116 Firecom.
Engine 116.
There was no emergency at this location. We did have one smoke detector going off due to a low battery. Engine 116 back in service.
Received no emergency alarm going off due to low battery. Engine 116 in service.
Boosted 183 on location. Commercial building. Nothing showing. Out investigating.
Booster 183 on location. Commercial building. Nothing showing. Out investigating.
1123 Firecom. This will be activation due to cooking. No mercy at this location. We will be helping resetting the alarm.
Received alarm due to cooking. Assisting with reset. Firecom Engine 112.
Go ahead, Firecom.
Engine 112, no emergency. 28918 South Plum Creek Drive.
Engine 102 received in service.
Engine 112 in service.
Booster 113 to alarm.
Booster 113.
Put engine 113 back in service, and booster 113 will take that call.
Received. Engine 113 in service. Booster 113 responding. I also show safety 113 responding. Firecom Booster 53.
Booster 53, go ahead.
Booster 53, checking your status.
Received. Notes were added. Booster 53 is back in service. Homeowner's been made aware of warming center, and water was shut off to the residents along with electricity.
Received. Booster 53, show you in service.
Engine 187 in quarters.
Engine 187 in quarters.
SC 141 Firecom.
SC 141.
Place engine 142 back in service. SC 141 will take the alarm call.
Received. SC 141 responding. Engine 142 in service.
1123 Firecom. I'll be in service from South Plum Creek.
Received 1123 in service.
1123 Firecom. Show me responding 150 Valley with ladder 11-1.
Received 1123 responding with ladder 11-1. 150 Valleywood.
Booster 183 Firecom.
Booster 183.
We examined the zone. No smell or smoke in that zone. It's showing trouble on the alarm, so the key holder needs to be notified on this situation.
Proceed Booster 183. Key holder will need to be notified due to the alarm being in trouble.
Booster 183. The electricity was out. Now the electricity back on. No smoke or anything in there. That's what set the alarm off, and Booster 183 in service in quarters.
Receive Booster 183 in service in quarters, no emergency. Power off and back on now.
Ladder 1 see I'm investigating.
Another one on location, I'm investigating.
Engine 184, we were able to cut the vehicle off the pole. We're in service in quarters.
Engine 184, cut the vehicle off the pole in service and quarters.
1123 is on location, 150 Valleywood.
1123 on location in Valleywood.
Ladder 11-1 to 1123, we're in the water sprinkler room.
Firecom, Ladder 11-1.
Ladder 11-1.
Ladder 11-1, just received the additional alarm for that location.
As you see, we have multiple rooms that are going off water.
Receive.
Go ahead and add all the rooms to my notes on the MDZ.
Receive Ladder 11-1. We'll advise the alarm company next time they call in. You can confirm me there are active water leaks.
That's affirmative.
Receive.
Bruce 11-3, Firecom.
11-3.
Bruce 11-3, show the residence water shut off. Bruce 11-3, returning to service.
Receive residence water shut off. Boost 11-3 in service.
Engine 186 responding.
Engine 186 responding service call 7988F1488 at the HEB advising water is shooting from the ground next to HEB.
SC-141 to Firecom. We're on location with the calling party, making our way to the apartment unit.
Receive SC-141 on location with the calling party making their way to the unit.
Engine 186 on location.
86 on location.
SC-141 to Firecom. On scene at the unit with maintenance. Everything is all clear.
Received SC-141.
Engine 186 Firecom. It's a broken water line near the gas station. That's going to be a water department issue. Engine 186 is in service and quarters.
Received broken water line. Be a water service issue. Engine 186 in service and quarters.
Safety 11-3, you can put engine 11-6 back in service. We'll handle.
Received safety 11-3 responding for service call 28651 Lock Ridge View. Engine 11-6 in service.
Engine 11-6 received.
Squad 104 will respond to number 27 South Lace Harbor. Place truck 104 in service.
Received squad 104 responding truck 104 in service.
SC-141 is available.
SC-141 in service.
Engine 186 in quarters.
Engine 186 in quarters.
Ladder 11-1 Firecom. Ladder 11 will be returning to service. 1123 is also in service.
Received ladder 11-1, 1123 in service.
Engine 105, Firecom. We turned the water off to the house. We'll be in service.
Received.
Engine 183 in quarters.
Engine 183 in quarters.
Engine 155 Firecom.
Engine 155.
The water was shut off at the meter. Engine 155 will be back in service.
Received water was shut off at meter. Engine 155 in service. Firecom Battalion 91 on FT2.
Go ahead.
Battalion 91, just checking on your status. Do you need any additional resources or us to contact the precinct for sand?
The precinct's unable to make it here. They have the same problem we are. But TxDOT should be coming, and number 9's been in contact with EOC on it, and they're trying to help us out.
That's clear.
Engine 186 responding.
Engine 186 responding small smoke in a residence, 28426 Champion Oaks Drive. Firecom Battalion 91. Firecom Engine 186.
Engine 186.
Engine 186, the calling party advisor is a strong smell of smoke inside the home, in the kitchen, and the bathroom. They did advise they turn the breakers off, and the smell has started to dissipate.
Engine 186 received.
Squad 101 Firecom.
Squad 101.
Can you update the address to number 27 and then show the service?
Received number 27. Check in service.
Truck 121's out.
Location.
Battalion 91 to Firecom 1
Battalion 91.
Miller Record Service is arriving on the scene. Appreciate your help.
Received. Just advise if you need any additional resources.
That's good. I'll keep you posted.
Engine 121, truck 121.
Go ahead.
They said they're having issues in their pump room. You can return to service. We're only going to check the pump room. No emergency. If it's only 121, you can return to service.
Truck 121, Battalion 121, you clear, you can return service.
Battalion 121, that's clear, I'm in service.
Proceed Battalion 121 in service.
Engine 186 on location.
Engine 186 on location. Firecom Engine 54.
Truck 121, Firecom.
Truck 121.
Spoke to the manager. He's going to put it in test mode. They have fire watch on location with no customers. We are in service.
Proceed manager putting it in test mode. Assigning fire watch with no customers. Truck 121 in service.
Engine 186, Firecom.
Engine 186.
It's going to be a bad blower motor on the HVAC unit. We secured the power to it and advised the homeowner to contact the technician. Engine 186 be in service.
Proceed bad blower motor to the HVAC unit. It is secure. Engine 186 in service.
Firecom, Engine 101.
Engine 101.
You can put us on the call on Fairway Oaks. We'll be responding shortly.
Received Engine 101 responding 28 Fairway Oaks.
Engine 103, Engine 101. Do you still need us to respond with you?
Engine 101, Engine 103, negative.
That's clear. Engine 103, show us in service.
Engine 103 in service.
Squad 101, Firecom.
Squad 101.
We shut down the fire suppression system due to a broken sprinkler pipe. Fire watch is on location. You can show us in service.
Received shut down the fire suppression system due to a broken pipe. Fire watch on location. Squad 101 in service.
Engine 121, Firecom.
Engine 121.
Can we get call notes of any key holder or maintenance numbers?
Firecom Engine 121, we're going to attempt to leave a message with the premise number that we have. It was a resident that called it in.
Proceed.
Engine 121.
Engine 121, go ahead.
Engine 121, we did leave a voicemail with emergency maintenance.
Engine 121 received.
103 driver to a 103 officer.
Engine 186 in quarters.
186 in quarters.
187.
Last unit on FD2.
Booster 187 will be responding.
Proceed Booster 187 responding 307 South Pine Circle.
Engine 121, Firecom.
Engine 121.
Can you contact the key holder to come to this location? Seems the water's coming from an apartment that is unoccupied at this time.
Received. We'll attempt to call the emergency maintenance again. We've just been getting a voicemail. Booster 187. Firecom Booster 187.
Booster 187.
Booster 187. You're responding for a service call. The calling party advised that their house is flooding due to a water pipe breaking. They'd also like a patient checked out who is on an O2 machine. Advised if EMS is needed once on location.
Received.
Firecom Booster 187. Firecom Booster 187.
Booster 187, you call?
That's clear. Updated information. The caller is now stating there is no need for fire due to the water no longer leaking. They also advise that they move the patient into a room that is protected. Your discretion.
Okay. Booster 187 in service.
Booster 187 in service.
And if you can put Booster 187 and Engine 187 in service in quarters.
Proceed Booster 187, Engine 187 in service in quarters. Firecom Engine 121.
Engine 121, go ahead.
Engine 121, we left another message with emergency maintenance. We do not have any phone numbers for a key holder.
Proceed. Engine 121 made contact with a family member in a neighboring apartment. They may have a key. Stand by.
Proceed.
Engine 103 driver to Engine 103 firefighter.
Engine 103 firefighter, we can't determine at this time if the water shutoff was effective. Engine 103 driver, it appears that we've had no effect.
What about now?
Engine 101 to squad 11.
Squad 101.
We can handle the call up Deerfoot. We're right over here.
Squad 101.
Engine 103, no change.
Firecom, Engine 101.
Engine 101.
Confirming you're responding 82 North Deerfoot Circle.
Engine 101, yes.
Received.
Any change?
Booster 104 in service. Alarm system malfunction.
Received. Booster 104 in service.
Booster 51 firecom.
Booster 51.
We got the water temporarily shut off until one of the management people can get here so we can shut it off even better.
Received. Water temporarily shut off until management makes location.
Engine 103, if you've been able to contact management to our location. 1-3 driver, come again. Engine 103 firecom, if you've been able to contact management.
Engine 103, that's negative. Stand by, we'll attempt to contact them.
That's clear. Advise them they have several leaks in the building.
Received.
Firecom, Engine 101. Be advised we were stopped at number 49 Deerfoot Circle for a water leak.
Received. Stopping at 49 Deerfoot Circle for a water leak.
Engine 121 firecom.
Engine 121.
Engine 121 made access to the apartment. Water was caused by the plug being in one of the sinks that was left on to prevent the sink from freezing.
Received. Water was caused by a plug that was left in the sink to prevent water from freezing. Can you advise the apartment number?
Apartment 1038 is the flooding apartment, flooding down to 1028.
Be advised you gave the same apartment number.
The flooding apartment number is 1038.
Received.
Engine 152 now.
Engine 152 responding service call, 2010 Woodway Drive.
Tanker 51's in service.
Tanker 51 in service. Firecom, Engine 103.
Engine 103.
Engine 103, we were able to leave a voicemail with emergency maintenance regarding several leaks in the building. We also notified the fire marshal.
That's clear. We're going to have to shut down the sprinkler system and the water to this building. If you advise them, they have no fire protection.
Received. Firecom, Engine 103, confirming just the one building.
That's clear. Just the one building.
Received.
Engine 103 driver, that leak is opened up again.
Received. Pilot 1 Firecom.
11-1.
We're going to be out with a broken jockey pump on location, 1123 and letter 11-1 to be returning to service.
Received. Letter 11-1, 1123 in service.
Engine 103, we're going to return to service. No sign of maintenance.
Received. Engine 103 returning to service.
Booster 51, show management on location.
Received. Management on location.
Engine 121 firecom.
Engine 121.
Water's been shut off to the Starbucks. It is unoccupied and it has power. Engine 121 being clear seat in service.
Received. Water shut off. Unoccupied. Has power. Engine 121 in service.
Letter 34 to the Firecom. MR 181 in quarters.
MR 181 in quarters. Firecom, Engine 91.
91, go ahead.
Engine 91, you're responding for a service call 13058 Oak Manor Court. Calling for the advisor water pipe bust. You're looking for a tan double wide mobile home with a Kia Forte and a white pickup out front.
91 clear.
Booster 187 responding.
Booster 187 responding.
I can't tell from the notes. What's the response for Booster 187?
Booster 187, respond to 37730 Miller's Pass. Calling for advise a pipe bursted. Firecom, Booster 187.
Booster 187.
Booster 187, several houses down from the dispatch address. Calling for advise a pipe at a utility plant that supplies water to the neighborhood is busted.
Firecom Booster 55. Firecom Booster 55 on FD2.
Go ahead for Booster 55.
Booster 55, confirming the location you're responding to. Are you going to Oak Manor or Waterbury Way?
That's clear. We're going to Waterbury Way.
We'll put you on Waterbury Way.
Okay, 91, all department down to service. There's no fire, it was just a water leak and steam.
Received. Battalion 91, Ladder 91, in service. No fire, steam. Firecom Booster 51.
Booster 51, go ahead.
51, show your responding service call 33, La Jolla Circle. Call is a 911 abandoned call with no answer on call back. Water leak reported at the residence.
Booster 51, BC.
Firecom Battalion 91 on FD2.
Paylor Medic 5, can I get a radio consult with the district chief?
Firecom Battalion 91 on FD2.
Paylor Medic 5.
Medic 5, go ahead.
Can I get a radio consult with the district chief, please?
Medic 26, Engine 91, and Ladder 91, motor vehicle incident, I-45 North and Calvary Road, southbound main lanes. Medic 26, Engine 91, and Ladder 91, motor vehicle incident, I-45 North and Calvary Road, southbound main lanes, map 9-7, Tango, respond on FD4.
Is it 1 Fire comments 91. Fire comments 91.
Engine 91.
We've driven up to Shepherd Hill. Unable to locate. Do you have any additional information?
Negative. Engine 91, no further information. Caller just reported that a car spun out and hit the wall in that location or in around that area.
That's clear. We'll check from Shepherd Hill back to Calvary.
Receive checking Shepherd to Calvary.
That's good.
Just call
33, show back in.
4833, that's fine.
4033. Reroute me to that family file from Bridgewater traffic.
4033, that's clear. Address is going to be 25210 Bridgewater Drive. It's a pregnancy family violence. April 47 is going to be the actor. It's going to be a verbal disturbance. He's screaming at people. He is threatening to kill people. It's David Gallagher, 1212 is 6658. 2066. And
you hear for the driver, whichever the company, see if they want to tow it.
Clear heavy duty wrecker on scene for 242 and 45. If you can go ahead and come up and speak to the driver.
2052.
2052.
2055. Medic 13 is on scene. Can you have units staged to that are staged to shut down the freeway? Let me know when they are set.
Clear 2056.
Go ahead.
2055 is advising the medics there. Are you clear for them?
Fire department should be in communication with them. I don't think any of these people are wanting EMS.
That's clear.
2052, we got the southbound main lane stop. If I could just have somebody with another box of flares around.
Clear need it with flares.
That's fine, I'm turning around, coming that way.
Clear.
29, I'm about to pull up.
Clear.
2066, I'm also going to need an X-Rector on rotation for a light-duty vehicle.
That's fair.
2066, I apologize. I was also talking to other people and trying to catch up. Are we blocking off the southbound main lanes completely?
2052, they're blocked. All traffic is exiting.
That's clear. Once we get it blocked, we'll start getting these vehicles to contraflow back to the
exit ramp. Nobody's going to be able to cross over this bridge.
Yeah, I'll hold tight on that. 2055. 2055, I'm speaking with TechSide right now. Once we have the records clear of the scene, TechSide is going to, TechSide is going to lay down so that we'll actually be able to maneuver here on the roadway. Once the freeway is completely shut down, we can begin contraflow. That's still good with everybody?
Clear.
Hey, John, you can start getting those vehicles turned around. They got Hernandez on primary. You right here?
Hey, he's behind me, Fry.
2055 is 2052 clear for contraflow.
2052.
159, you can send them.
That's clear.
Firecom Havana Command.
Go ahead.
Information only. You do have Spring Tower 70 and Spring District 70 responding.
Appreciate it.
Booster 183 responding, staged.
Perfect spot where you're blowing it. Command Firecom, you can disregard Spring Tower and Chief.
Received disregarding Spring Tower and Spring Chief.
Engine 141 on location.
Engine 141 on location.
Needham, is that you out on Woodland? 1401 Command. Go ahead.
Firecom Havana Command.
Go ahead.
Command, you have a par due.
That's what stand up for.
1401 Command. We're going to need SO to shut down Woodlands Parkway at Sterling Ridge. We're going to set this ladder truck up.
Charlie to Command. That section of the third floor east center of the building, they got a good knockdown on it across from both sides of those two apartments. Receive.
Engine 105 from accountability. Do you have a par? Truck 104 from accountability. Do you have a par? Truck 108 from accountability. Do you have a par?
Engine 108 has a par. Truck 61 arriving.
Truck 61, put your turntable right where I'm standing and get as close to this edge as you can.
Firecom accountability is complete.
Receive par complete.
That's a perfect spot there, Truck 61.
601 on location.
601 on location.
Final 101 to Command, awaiting order. Repeat. Unit calling Command, repeat. Command calling Attack Team 2. Command calling Attack Team 2. Attack Team 2, go ahead. What's your status? Looks like we got it, Chief. We're checking it out right now. Make sure we don't have any hot spots left. We're working that east back on the Charlie side, and we got two guys in the attic looking for fire. Receive. Be advised that you guys need to change out. We've got some more fresh crews down here. Receive. I got a couple of people. Attack Team 1, go ahead. Attack Team 2 is a 105. You can drop our pressure down. Attack 101 to command. Unit calling command, go ahead. Attack 101. Send us engine 107's crew. Bring a CO monitor to help switch out Attack Team 2. That's clear. I'm going to send you South County 11-1. Engine 107 is replacing Attack Team 1. That's clear. Send me a CO monitor. Receive. Truck 61's up in the air. They're going to give us the CAN report from the air as soon as they get somebody that's... Receive. Truck 61 to command.
Truck 61 to command. Command, go ahead. Truck 61 Alpha, I'm at the tip of the ladder. I'm not seeing any active fire from up here. We do not have the best view, though.
Ready, Chief. Command, Firecom.
Command, go ahead.
You get signal 7-1 holding companies on scene.
7-1, Havana Command, holding units on location.
Channel 1 detained. 4047, that's clear. 1 detained at 0022. Units at Dickens Drive, checking your status. Any unit at Dickens Drive, checking your status. 4044, 4040, or 4052, checking your status.
4052, I'll be off with them shortly. I'll update you on their status.
No, sir. For now, all unit channels going to be closed again.
4033, you can go ahead and open the channel.
4033, that's clear. Just be advised, units are out at Dickens Drive on the other disturbance. Channel's going to be closed for them.
4033, that's clear. We're secure.
That's clear. Alright, channel is going to be open. Again, channel is going to be open.
68.
49, whenever possible, have one of those units on Dickens Drive. Public service complete.
Any unit on Dickens Drive, so where you clear them.
What number?
I'll let you to revise your number and go ahead.
44 is going to be Texas 39656611.
That's clear. Also, were you clear on 49's traffic?
That's clear, it was.
8 to 11.
I'll be back out showing its help assist against gas.
Clear.
2066.
Go ahead.
Now they're saying it's a 13-minute ETA if you want to wait for them.
Yeah, 13 minutes is fine. The whole roadway is blocked off, so we're not going anywhere.
Clear.
Hey, Dimitri, will you stop the car from?
We maybe have 5 vehicles left.
In disregard to Dimitri, if they only got 5 people, let them come through.
Shenandoah units have a crash down injury, 45 southbound main lane, and research.
Magnolia PD holding 2 alarms, one at 1488. Quick car and the other also on 1488 Napa Auto Parts.
4832. Can you hear the notes on this?
Any available Shenandoah unit for a crash?
2843.
There's going to be 45 southbound main lane at Research Forest. No injury. Reporting lost control of his vehicle. He's going to be just south of Research. It's a white Dodge pickup. He is going to be a traffic hazard.
Door glass detector.
He's also advising he does have a...
Back in secure.
He's also advising he has an off-duty unit that's with him.
4040 return. 4040 return.
4044, go ahead. Because it's clear, just out to the car.
6075.
Going to be clear handled incidents only.
Okay.
Yep, go ahead.
Command calling.
Engine 152, and ladder 151, Waterflow alarm, 600 Dogwood Lane, Dogwood L.
Command, Firecom.
Command, go ahead.
We're releasing ladder level 1 and battalion level 1.
Receive releasing ladder level 1 and battalion level 1. Received, Digit 107.